So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand history current user. Now you want to expand software. Now you want to expand Microsoft. Now you want to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down and expand Windows. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Now you want to expand current version. Now you want to expand policies. We're going to scroll down and expand policies. Once we get to policies, you want to expand it. However, if you have no option to expand it, then you want to right click on policies and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this key Explorer. Click on enter. You now want to click on the Explorer folder. Again, you can follow everything that I did right here. So make sure that you're now in the Explorer folder. And then once you're on this, you want to find something called No Security tab. If you don't have it, then you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this No Security tab. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did with the same spelling and then click on enter. And then once you have this, you want to double click on it. Make sure that in this box right here you have the number 0. So in this value data box, you want to type in the number 0 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.